In this video, I'll compare two really powerful research tools for any e-commerce business, Sell the Trend and Pipiads. If you're running any type of e-commerce business, whether it's dropshipping or Amazon FBA or anything else, then using the right research tool to find the best products to sell and being able to learn from your competitors can be a complete game changer for your business. At the same time, picking the wrong tool is a great way to waste a lot of time and a lot of money. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so I can help you make the right decision. Because I'm going to cover important information about each of these tools one at a time, including product discovery features, supplier database, pricing and subscription costs, automation features, and much more. Now for your convenience, I've included the links to both Sell the Trend and Pipiads in the description so you can check them out. And now let's get started. Sell the Trend offers a robust product discovery suite featuring an AI-powered discovery engine known as the Nexus. This engine curates products from a variety of sources including AliExpress, Amazon, and Shopify stores, providing users with a rich selection of trending items. The platform also allows for extensive filtering options such as product cost, selling price, and potential profit margins, which are super valuable for targeting specific markets and niches. But what about market analysis? Market analysis on Sell the Trend is detailed and actionable. The platform provides insights into trends, competition levels, and demand for each product. Additionally, it features a trend tracker that monitors real-time data on product popularity, helping users make timely decisions based on current marketing dynamics. What about integration with platforms? Sell the Trend excels in its integration capabilities, particularly with Shopify. Users can seamlessly import products directly into their Shopify stores with just a few clicks. The platform also supports integration with WooCommerce, making it versatile for users across different e-commerce platforms. But what about their supplier database? Well, the tool includes access to a comprehensive database of suppliers, complete with ratings and reviews to ensure reliability and quality. This feature is particularly useful for dropshippers that are looking to establish long-term relationships with trusted suppliers. But what about their pricing and profitability tools? Sell the Trend offers advanced tools to calculate potential profitability, including detailed cost breakdowns and suggested selling prices. This helps users to effectively price their products to maximize margins while remaining competitive. But what about their user interface and ease of use? Well, the user interface of Sell the Trend is modern and intuitive. New users can easily navigate through its various features without feeling overwhelmed, thanks to a well-organized dashboard and clear instructional guidance. But what about their customer support and community? Like, what if you need help with something? Well, Sell the Trend provides robust customer support, including live chat. As you can see right here, you can click this button and you can get help through the bot as well as with a real person. Additionally, they also have an active community of users who can be a great resource. They share tips, strategies, and advice as well. So it's really a wholesome community if you want to get into the dropshipping space. But what about their pricing? So let's talk about their pricing structure. As you can see, they've got two different plans here, keeping it very simple, the monthly and the yearly plan. If you go with the yearly plan, you actually get 2 months for free, so that saves you quite a bit of money. If you look at the monthly plan, you're paying about $40 a month for their essential plan and about $100 a month for their pro plan. And so you can see what they're offering here in each of these. They're offering pretty much unlimited everything with the pro plan, so you're good to go. But you can check them out. You can actually use the link in the description to start a free trial and see which one you like. Let's talk about the automation features now. Sell the Trend includes several automation features such as automated store synchronization and AliExpress order fulfillment, which significantly reduce the manual effort that's required for managing your dropshipping business. But what about analytics and reporting? Well, the analytics and reporting tools provided by Sell the Trend are comprehensive. Users can track sales, monitor inventory levels, and analyze performance data data to optimize their strategies. Now, unfortunately, if you're planning on using Sell the Trend on your phone, they don't have a mobile app right now, so that might not be super convenient for you, but they might release that in the future. As far as reviews and user feedback goes, the feedback for Sell the Trend is overwhelmingly positive, with many praising its extensive product discovery features and effective market analysis tools. However, some users have noted that it would be nice to have a mobile app. As you can see, there's tons of really amazing success stories, and a lot of YouTubers and people that you've probably heard of use Sell the Trend to run their dropshipping business. Sell the Trend is an excellent choice for dropshippers seeking a powerful and intuitive tool to enhance their product discovery and market analysis capabilities. With a strong platform integration and comprehensive feature set, it suits both beginners and experienced merchants. The only notable gap is the absence of a mobile application, which could enhance the management if you're on the go, but that might get added in the future. Pipiads is particularly strong in identifying trends on TikTok, as you can probably tell based on their page right here. This is really useful and powerful for dropshippers that are looking to capitalize on viral trends. The platform provides detailed insights into which products are gaining traction through successful advertising campaigns, allowing users to discover potential bestsellers before they hit the mainstream market. So what about their market analysis? Market analysis with Pipiads is tightly integrated with TikTok's advertising landscape. It offers detailed analytics on ad performance, including viewer engagement, reach, and demographic information. This enables users to understand not just what products are popular, but why they're popular and how to position them effectively in their own marketing campaigns. But how does it integrate with other platforms? Well, Pipiads primarily serves as an ad spy tool, and it does not directly integrate with e-commerce platforms for product management or listing. However, the insights gained can be used to inform product selections and marketing strategies, no matter what platform you use, whether it's Shopify, WooCommerce, or any other platform. As far as supplier database goes, Pipiads does not include a supplier database. Once again, it's not really focused on the day-to-day, management of a dropshipping business. It focuses on the advertising side of it, so it provides insights rather than the full spectrum of dropshipping operations. Users will need to source their own suppliers or use another tool in conjunction with Pipiads if you want to manage your supply. As far as pricing and profitability tools that are offered, the tool doesn't actually traditionally offer pricing and profitability calculators. That's not really the goal of Pipiads, but you can infer the potential profit margins based on the performance and engagement metrics of your ads for similar products, so that can give you a rough idea of what the profits might look like. User interface and ease of use for Pipiads is generally considered pretty good. It's designed specifically for users that are interested in leveraging TikTok ads. The platform's layout makes it simple to find and analyze high-performing ads, and they also have lots of filters that you can use to narrow down your search results based on different criteria. What about the customer support and community? Well, customer support for Pipiads is available via email and live chat. Additionally, they also have a community where members can share their insights and strategies, especially for maximizing the your profitability and performance for your TikTok ads for dropshipping. But let's talk about their pricing, because I'm sure you're interested in that. As you can see, Pipiads offers a subscription model like a lot of other tools. So they have the monthly as well as annual plan. If you pay annually, you can save 30%. So if you're serious about using Pipiads for your dropshipping business, to run ads on TikTok, to analyze them and find trends, I would get the annual plan. You can save a lot of money. It's definitely worth it. And as you can see, they have the starter plan starting at $77 a month, and it goes all the way up to Pro at $263, and their most popular is actually the VIP, which is in between these two at $155 a month. As you can see, what's included in each of them, the number of ads per query goes up as you buy the more expensive plan, all the way up to 5,000. Everything pretty much goes up. With Pro, you actually get everything for not just one person, but for 5 people. So if you're running a bigger operation, Pro might be the better option for you. What about the automation features? Well, Pipiads Pipiads doesn't offer automation in the traditional sense of dropshipping operations. It automates the process of discovering and tracking successful TikTok advertisements, which can save you a lot of time and effort if you're doing market research. For analytics and reporting, they excel in providing detailed information on TikTok ad campaigns, so I can help you find out which is successful and which is not, as well as the conversion potential. Unfortunately, Pipiads does not currently have a mobile app, so if you are planning on using something like this on your phone, then Pipiads is not the right platform for you. But if you're using your laptop anyway, your computer, then that doesn't matter. But what do users say? What's the feedback? What are the reviews like? Well, the general reception of Pipiads is that it's pretty good, especially if you're focused on TikTok ads, which is kind of niche. As you can see on the page right here, Pipiads is simply the perfect tool for product research, the best investment you can make for your e-commerce business to access the latest products and creatives of the moment. So it's definitely a popular platform that a lot of people really like. It's got great reviews and a lot of well-known dropshippers are using them in their business. Now, as you can see, both tools have their pros and cons, and the best one for you depends on your specific needs. If you're interested in starting a new e-commerce business, or maybe you want to move your existing business to another platform, I'd recommend Shopify. It's one of the most popular e-commerce platforms in the world, and you can try it out for an entire month for just $1. For your convenience, I've included the links to all tools, platforms, and relevant resources to help you with your business. It's in the description box below. Drop any questions you have in the comment section, and I'll do my best to help you out as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.